This one is a type of durian.
Satu dua. Satu.
So his mom likes this durian, which is cooked, which is boiled with coconut and palm sugar down into this kind of like jelly, jam, and then they just wrap it up. And then you take a piece, you know? And then you just have a bite of that. I don't think they put it on anything. Here's a sample bag. And those are the durians over there. Four. He's going to get four. So one is 100 bahts. That's... What? What? Oh my gosh. So that's 600?
7.
What? Oh my gosh, he bought all the stock. There's only one left. So 700 baht. So that was about $15. You see how happy she is.